Hello folks, today we're going to be talking about a drain plug by Integrity Products for corrosion under insulation. These drain plugs come in individual wrappers, and within the packaging itself you have the instructions, 5 steps on how to install your drain plug. The drain plug is approximately 6 inches long. It has a serrated edge for coring out your insulation, and it can be adjusted all the way down to 1 inch. It is held in with a silicone grommet. And for easy installation, we recommend that you use our drill bit that has a back plate so that you don't drill through any type of heat trace. Makes for easy circles. If you don't use that type of drill bit, we used to use out in the field years ago a drill bit and just a little bit of fiber tape backing on it so that your drill bit won't go and hit any type of pipe or heat trace. Next, we'll show you how to install this product. It only takes a matter of minutes. When installing these products, please wear all proper PPE for safety of hands, eyes, and cut abrasions. Thank you, and we'll show you how to install these in a second. Okay folks, we're now going to install our drain plug. Take your cordless drill, put it at 6 o'clock location. Drill through your metal, just give that a little push over your metal that you just drilled out. Grab your drain plug, core out the insulation. This insulation is approximately 1.5 inches. So we'll set our drain plug, cut it off or snap it off at 1.5 inches. Take our little silicone grommet and get that in place, and then take our drain plug and just push that up in place. Quite simple. When installing your drain plug, please wear all proper PPE, and these drain plugs should be placed at every 3 meters or approximately 10 feet. Thank you, and have a great day.